Hi guys, welcome to another Life Kicks adventure. So I don't know if you can see outside the window today. It's very wet and miserable. So what we're going to do, Sarah's found a nice indoor play area which is very close to where we're staying at the River Bell. It's I don't know if it's pronounced Girafou or Girafou, but the symbol is a big giraffe. So we're going to drive there. It's about 5 minutes on the sat nav, but it's very close to where we're staying. So we're going to go try that out, see where it is, and I'll try and get some footage while we're in there as well for you guys. So enjoy. So there you have it guys, another day done. We had a awesome time. I've actually looked up the pronunciation. It's pronounced Girafou. So yeah, the kids, we ended up, when we got in there, we saw the helicopter rides, like a monorail that goes around. You had to pay extra for them. And we also had to pay extra for go-karts, which Ethan said he didn't want to do. But once we got Emily on there, he wanted to go on as well. So we went and bought more tokens. But it were all good fun. The kids had heaps of fun. There was regular soft play. Then there was a big bouncy pillow. And there also like a bouncy castle with a drop on it, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, that fun as well.
Yeah.
And then we got kids pizza for lunch. And they weren't what the kids were used to. These were homemade, freshly cooked, base and everything, all freshly cooked. The kids didn't really eat them while we were there, but when we got home, they had them then. Also, we had to pay €2 as adults to go in, but we got a free hot drink, which included tea, coffee, or hot chocolate. So yeah, so it was a really good day. Made up for the damp weather that we've had today. Also, after that, when we got back, we went to the indoor pools for a bit and we had a bit of a splash about. I did a lot of chilling in the spa area because today I've just been so tired. I've crashed. I think all the excitement is starting to wear out because we've only got one day left at this resort, and then we're heading over to Calais and we're having a night at a resort in Calais before we get the 10 o'clock train back on Saturday morning. So yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, again guys, you know the score by now. Give it a like. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm watching it and it's not going up whatsoever. Please, please guys, give me a subscribe. Let's keep this motion rolling. The more subscribes I get, the more videos I'm going to bring out. And this adventure's coming to an end, but I'm already planning our next 10. So guys, enjoy. Until next time, keep chasing those life kicks.